Looking for a new way how to make applesauce without a food mill? Today, we'll explore 3 easy and effective ways you can make applesauce. What is applesauce? Also commonly known as apple puree, is a very simple ingredient. This ingredient consists of one thing. You guessed it, apples. But many applesauce recipes and commercially made products today contain additives. Depending on what its intended use is, it can be flavored with sweeteners and spices, colored with natural or artificial colorants, and have some added preservatives to extend its shelf life. How is applesauce usually made? Now, there are a couple of different methods that are commonly used to make applesauce. One of the most authentic techniques used includes the use of a food mill. A food mill consists of 3 parts: a large bowl with a sieve at the bottom, a perforated disc, and a hand-operated mill. First, the apples are peeled and cored. Then, they are cooked until they become extremely soft. Once cooked, they are pureed using a food mill. This helps break down the apple into a thick yet smooth mixture, aka apple puree. Why doesn't everybody use a food mill? Unfortunately, not everybody has a food mill. This tool is quite outdated and many new modern appliances do the same thing, just with a lot less effort. But, even with these new appliances at your disposal, many people still choose to live a much more minimalist life, especially in the kitchen, and not buy one-time use items. Alternative methods. Without further ado, here is how to make applesauce without a food mill. We have gathered some of the best techniques you can use. This way, you have a few options to choose from to find something that works for you. Sieve. Place the sieve over a large mixing bowl. Then, add a large spoonful of cooked apples into the sieve. Using the back of the spoon, press the soft apples through the sieve so they pass through. Once finished, stir to make a smooth uniform puree. A sieve can also be used to remove excess liquid from mashed chunky apple puree. Potato masher. A potato masher will allow you to more precisely control how chunky or fine you want the applesauce to be. It helps retain a lot of the moisture in the mixture. Chunky applesauce is perfect for fillings, soups, sauces, and stews. Food processor or blender. A food processor is the better choice between the two because it doesn't pulverize as a blender does. Either way, if you have large batches of applesauce to make or are short on time, it is an option you can try. But it virtually only makes smooth runny applesauce. Tips and tricks. Start by determining what you want to use the applesauce for and what its consistency should be. Then, try out different methods with what you have and make notes for the future. Now, you can keep making your favorite recipes without having to continuously buy expensive sauces that cost a fraction to make yourself. If you liked this video, don't forget to like and subscribe.